All right, guys, strength workout for the day. We've got a complex for you. Every 2 minutes for 12 minutes, we're going to do 2 reps of this complex. 1 power clean, 3 push presses, and 1 jerk. That could be a split jerk or a push jerk. 2 reps of that. So you're going to do 1 power clean, you're going to get in the front rack position, you're going to do 3 push presses, and after that third one, you're going to do 1 jerk, and you're going to take it back down to the ground, and you're going to do that complex 1 more time. That's 2 reps of that complex. We're going to do it every 2 minutes for 12 minutes. So we're going to do 6 sets of this. You're going to choose the load on this. You should be able to perform 2 reps of that complex with the load that you choose. Take some time to warm up to this, test it out, see a good starting weight. There may not be too much rest in between because every 2 minutes on the 2-minute mark, you're going to pick that barbell up again and start your complex for 2 complex reps. If you have time and you would like to increase the load, if you feel you're able to do that, then go for it. That load could stay the same, or if you need to decrease it, you could do that as well. If you don't have a barbell, you could do this with dumbbells as needed, or practice this complex with as little weight as you need, even down to a PVC pipe or a broom. Just practice perfect form. Power clean, good setup position. Explosive hips, fast elbows, whipping around and catching that in the power position. Don't muscle clean it, power clean it. Catch it with your knees bent. Extend the hips, bring your shoulders back down to the bar, meet the bar, catch it with your knees bent, your hips back, and then stand it all the way up. Position yourself for a good front rack position for that push press. Dip, keeping your shoulders straight up and down. Just bend the knees, drop a couple of inches, and explosive hip drive, moving your head back out of the way and pressing that bar straight up. Jump the weight off of your shoulder and then press it straight up overhead. Push your head through the window, ears right between the biceps. Locked out at the top, bring it back down. This is a good opportunity to practice cycling the barbell as well. So as soon as it hits your shoulders, if you have the ability and you're comfortable, you can, that catch with the bent knees and the shocks, that's your dip. You could jump it right back up overhead. You don't have to cycle it, but if you feel comfortable with it, go for it. And then after your 3 push presses, set up for a really good jerk, whether it's a split jerk or a push jerk. Jump the weight off your shoulders with a very explosive hip drive, and then move your feet from the jump position to the land position, whether that's your squat position or your split position. And push yourself underneath that barbell. Catch it with elbows locked out, that barbell directly over your shoulders and your hips. Chest up tall. Stand it up to the recovery position. All right, guys. Every 2 minutes for 12 minutes, 2 reps of a complex. 1 power clean, 3 push presses, and 1 jerk. Get after it, guys. Let's get strong.